Too hot.
Are you doing the game for it?
I'm recording.
I'm still so hot.
Guess what I'm gonna do with my fish spread? That same thing you're doing with yours.
Hot, man.
It's going on YouTube, you know.
Too hot.
Spin.
I don't have my headphones.
1, 2. When they gonna get here? There's 2. There's 4.
22nd.
Is that Monday?
Sean, say hi.
Hi.
Jeremy, say what's up. Jeremy, say what's up.
I don't want to be in YouTube.
What?
Abba, say hi.
Hi.
Private, are you tipsy?
What about me? Who am I? Talkie.
To target it, Jason.
Cheesy. Cheesy.
Pizza Head.
DJ Cat.
Jason, they're targeting.
No. DJ Kelly.
DJ
Kelly.
DJ Kelly.
No, you sing a song. Come on, I'm not saying that.
DJ Kelly.
DJ. What?
Seeing in 10 now.
They haven't changed it this year.
That's not wrong.
Who did that?
You know what this is?
Necktie. I had one of those at the dance.
Hey, Sean.
What?
Jeremy, do this.
Sean, look what it looks like off.
What?
Is there juice in there? Is it?
Look at your cake, Jason B. No.
We're gonna get ready to start student news here in just a minute. Awesome.
Don't touch Ivan.
Okay.
Let it spin. Hey, you guys are making sound. Hey, it sounds like wind in here, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It's still going. It's still going. Jeremy. It's still going.
Now it's gonna stop any minute. Look, stop it.
Slow down. Ivan, look, it's still going.
Hmm?
It's still going.
I'm out.
Hey, look, does it look like a ride or something?
Keep going. Keep going.
Hey, does it look like a ride in a carnival?
Keep going.
Yeah, it does. Where it goes fast and it slows down.
Watch it, Dan.
It's like a ride.
Alright, put everything up, guys.
Like, subscribe.